Hey everyone. Quick, exciting discovery of mine. You might already be aware of this, but it's the volume 10 volumes of the Matthew Crickboom Etudes. Now, I'd heard of Crickboom before, and I thought, oh, that sounds hard. Sounds like something exotic. Why didn't I check it out sooner? Crickboom is really well organized and edited and fingered and all kinds of helpful markings in it of the whole world of etudes. Don't, Fiorello, Kreutzer, Wolfart, um, a lot more. Of all those etudes you know that you should be doing, but there's no time in the day to do all of those etudes. Matthew Crickboom has digested all of these etudes and put them into 10 progressive volumes. All you have to do is open up book one and start at number one and work your way through the book. And it goes up incrementally with the easiest. It's repetitive. Like you won't do just one etude on spiccato, but book one will present the easiest etude on spiccato, and then you might have a couple more harder ones later in book one. Book two will be more harder etudes on spiccato, and all the other techniques that you need. So teachers, Matthew Crickboom has done the work for you. The Crickboom Etude books are expensive. I think they're the big European print, the large non-standard books. But I got mine on IMSLP, downloaded it, and it shows up fine on my computer. When you try to print it, it's really tiny and horrible for the eyes. But that's a hurdle you can get over. I think they're like $20 or $25 a volume plus pretty high shipping. But I just want to make you aware of the Crickboom. Crickboom. It's my new religion. Have fun.